Who are we? The genes that inherit the century-old history of Chinese construction equipment. The surging power of China's machinery industry. The vitality of innovation and development from different cultures. The determined heart of persisting in our ideals and beliefs. We are Sinomac Heavy Industry. On January 28, 2011, Sinomac Heavy Industry was reorganized and consolidated by China National Machinery Industry Corporation Limited, Construction Machinery Business Section. China National Machinery Industry Corporation Limited is a state-owned backbone enterprise directly managed by the central government. It is one of Fortune Global 500 enterprise and has been ranked the champ of top 100 Chinese machinery industry for many years. It is a large-scale central enterprise group with wide coverage, perfect business chain, and strong and comprehensive R&D capability in China's machinery industry. Since its birth, Sinomac Heavy Industry has assumed an innate mission. This is due to the accumulation and imprint of history, and is also the life gene given by the Chinese machinery industry. Sinomac Heavy Industry inherits the history and glory of China's machinery industry for 100 years. From the reconstruction and expansion of Tiananmen Square to the assistance of the Olympic venue facilities, from the snowy plateau to the Belt and Road, from the birth of the first unit to the leading of setting international standards, Sinomac Heavy Industry has left a strong mark on the history development of Chinese construction machinery. Today's Sinomac Heavy Industry inherits a long history, condensed its four major brands of Chongqing, Luojian, Dingsheng, Tiangong, Chengjiang, and is renewing its name as Sinomac. Representing the top brand, it carries our glory and mission. Sinomac Heavy Industry, located in the capital of China, Beijing, takes Tianjin Research Institute of Construction Machinery Company Limited, a national construction machinery research institute, as its R&D center, and Sinomac Chongqing Company Limited as its product operating center, with four major production bases in Changzhou, Tianjin, Luoyang, and Luzhou. It is continuously developing in the three key business areas as R&D and manufacturing, project contracting, and trading and service in construction equipment and its related heavy industry. The research and manufacturing of construction machinery is the foundation of Sinomac Heavy Industry. With the profound technical accumulation and R&D capability of Tianjin Construction Machinery Research Institute Company Limited and its production bases, Sinomac Heavy Industry continues to push forward the key common technology, leading the advanced technology and research of modern construction technology and disruptive technology in the fields of construction machinery power transmission, energy saving, environmental protection, intelligent control, informationization, and the reliability, safety, and comfort of equipment. Sinomac Heavy Industry keeps improving its quality and has mastered the advanced technology and management experience through its joint ventures with well-known international construction machinery enterprises as Komatsu, Hyundai, etc. Sinomac Heavy Industry continuously promotes its new production development and updates the technology of main products to polarization and multifunction based on its current main construction machinery products. Until now, Sinomac Heavy Industry has formed a series of products and advanced technology in construction machinery, environmental equipment, mining equipment, etc., covering dozens of series and hundreds of varieties, with its marketing and sales channels expanding to over 100 countries and regions, and provided huge quantities of complete sets of construction machinery to many key projects in domestic and counties and regions in the Belt and Road, including United Nations aid products. Engineering, contracting, and trade are the wing of Sinomac Heavy Industries takeoff. as the first batch of going out central enterprises. Currently, Sinomac has more than 180 overseas service organizations and is doing business with 190 countries and regions in the world, and has achieved extensive cooperation in various fields with countries along the Belt and Road. Relying on a strong overseas market resources, Sinomac Heavy Industry actively implements the requirement of recreating a new overseas Sinomac and continuously deepens its own development by forming a development model of using machinery to help projects and using projects to promote machinery. Sinomac Heavy Industry has undertaken many key projects centered on infrastructure construction, agricultural projects, etc., both at home and abroad, by cooperating with domestic and international well-known enterprises. Based on the high-end manufacturing of environmental protection and environmental sanitation equipment, Sinomac Heavy Industry actively serves the rural revitalization strategy and beautiful rural construction, and provides the systematic solutions for the expansion of urban sewage treatment plants, sewage treatment in villages and towns, one-stop garbage collection and transportation, organic waste treatment and disposal, and resource utilization. Sinomac Heavy Industry concentrates the advantages of its mining equipment and has formed 3 major business directions as mining project contracting, mining equipment sales, and mineral products trading, and has a place in the mining industry. Service is a perpetual wing of Sinomac Heavy Industry. Sinomac Heavy Industry is a manufacturer, seller, and even a service provider in construction machinery and its related areas of heavy industry, upholding the philosophy of quality building Sinomac, service winning market. In the after sales, Sinomac Heavy Industry provides the professional regular maintenance, technical upgrading, and regular on-site inspection services with the business capability of repurchasing, evaluating, certificating, and remanufacturing of used machines. In the construction projects, Sinomac Heavy Industry provides the systematic and complete solutions. In the port business field, Sinomac Heavy Industry provides one-stop full-scale project solutions for equipment leasing, logistics loading and unloading. In the service field, Sinomac Heavy Industry actively performs the technical centralized service function of earth-moving machinery in the construction machinery industry and leads the industry standardization technical work. The experimental research on the construction machinery hydraulic transmission, hydraulic drive, intelligent control technology, and testing technology is at the world-leading level. Every honor records the new painting of Sinomac Heavy Industry. Every responsibility writes the new chapter of fulfilling the central corporate social responsibility, adhering to the company philosophy of symbiosis, of advancing with industry, co-prospering with Sinomac, win-win with clients, sharing with employees, and bearing the mission of equipping the world and creating value. Sinomac Heavy Industry is forging ahead with the vision of becoming the world-class service manufacturer in construction machinery and heavy industry-related fields. Sinomac Heavy Industry is working together with all sectors of society to write the most powerful voice of China's construction machinery industry.